Okay, so we're gonna check out MG Lathe and my green Lathe tool. Select these, delete, and select these, and hit E. Go to the polygon mode. Use the lasso tool to take those, to select those, and merge those. Okay. Now go here, and we'll move this up by using the snap drag tool 1 point. We'll move this up here to that axis. So hold down Control and snap to that one. Copy, undo, and paste. Select this one and that one. Wait a minute. And these guys. Okay, so now I got this one and those two. So I'll run the plugin, my green lathe, and I set an end angle to -90 to make that work, and sides, whatever number of sides you want, really. And, well, that's it. Well, almost. Actually, what I'm going to do is I'm going to you can see that I got a mismatch here now. So what I'm going to do here is going to take these two, hit L to split it. It selects that, well, it selects these points. I'm going to take that one, delete. Let's see if I can merge now. 26 points eliminated. And maybe I can loop. Nope. So I'll have to do that manually. Oh, Shift U, by the way, to eliminate polygons that I didn't need. Kind of forgot about that. And then just flip it. Let's see now if I can loop it. Loop. Okay, there we go. And P to create a polygon. Flip. Yeah, that's it. If this turns out to look weird, and then you just triple it and Shift set again to make it flat. If you encounter that. But anyway, that's my green lathe.